I think that's one of the other catalysts. Like once that's approved, we'll see the market shift definitely
No.
on the
Yeah.
uptrend. Yeah.
Well, all right. Let's talk about diamond hands because I feel like you've been talking about these guys since day one.
Oh yeah.
Let me pull this up here.
Shout out to XRP Army.
There it is. Absolutely. SEC motion to appeal loss in Ripple's case is denied. No, that's
Wow.
pretty good news. Now there was a rally about 5% after the decision was made,
Yeah.
but this was huge news. This was
Yeah.
massive. We kind of expected was going to occur, but federal judge rejected it. You think we're going to be going higher with XRP? I mean, I feel like some of the numbers we're seeing is massive.
Yeah. Well, honestly, I expected more. I would have, was expecting the needle move a little bit higher. I mean, yeah, 5% is good. I mean, I looked at the charts today, the price, and I didn't really see too much action. I mean, this is bullish news, but there's a lot of bullish news going on right now, especially this week. It hasn't really moved the needle in the market, and I'm thinking, what does it got to take for this market to really move up? And it was just talking about the negative yield, real yield, something like big economic shift is what's going to cause this thing. And for now, we're steady ready.
Steady. I agree. We are steady. And I think we really should see the needle move more. And that's why I wonder if there is a little bit of manipulation from some of the larger entities that have that ability to do so, some of those larger banks out there. I really expected to see more on this, but 5% we'll take it. Though I think it's come down a little bit actually since the third. So I feel like all those gains have been given back. I feel like this is really good news
Right.
for Ripple in the long run, and I think there's more to come. Now we were going to talk about ETH. I feel like we probably still should. There was some news that came out about, well, this was last week, and we were kind of talking about this last week, where ETFs were coming out, and there was a total of 9 that came out. Let me
Wow.
know that you see this here. October 2nd. Yeah, now this was Ethereum futures ETF start trading in the US for the first time. There's a total of 9 that started trading back on the second. Now
Wow.
this is not spot futures, folks. These are just or rather spot ETFs. These are future
Yeah.
ETFs. I think that it's important to make that note because everyone's waiting for those spot ETFs to come out. Even though there was 9 that came out, the needle moved nothing at all. There was no movement in the
Yeah.
Ethereum space. And you think that
Yeah.
bodes well? Is it just the markets? Are we in that phase where everyone's just not interested? They're waiting for the next big thing and just standing by?
That's what I'm feeling. To me, I thought this was bullish news. 9, the mainstream is not into futures. I guess we're waiting for spot. But to me, the bullish thing about this, we're heading in the right direction. It's only a matter of time. Well, all that will be available. Spot, Bitcoin, spot, ETF. Yeah, that's with. I think that's one of the other catalysts that, like, once that's approved, yeah, we'll see the market shift definitely
No.
on the
Yeah,
uptrend. But yeah,
absolutely. Right. With any type of spot product, really, it's just a matter of them offering lower fees. So they are able to offer the product, call it Bitcoin, at a much lower rate than any type of futures ETF would, and the risk overall is lessened to the investor, which makes it more appealing to the investor. Now, I feel like overall Bitcoin, Ethereum, is still going to be high risk, high reward, at least in the near future. Eventually, just like anything else, like gold, it'll have to level off. But we're gonna hit those big numbers before it really starts to do that, assuming that adoption is there. But a lot of people are putting a lot of money, big names, putting a lot of money into this space, counting on it being a
yes,
big mover.
Yep,
So
definitely. We just continue to, for me, just continue to accumulate slowly but surely. It's a good time. I'm not gonna be feeling no FOMO.
no FOMO,
No
never, not now. Avoid the FUD there, folks.
Yeah.
But do your own research. Check it
Doing your
out.
research. Yeah. I'm excited. I that's my attitude. It's like back when I first heard the prequels of Star Wars was coming out, like in a year or two. Like, oh man, I can't wait. I can't wait. Before you know it, uh, I was at the movie theater, and I mean, it was okay. But what I'm saying is something to look forward to. Something to look forward to is gonna happen. Something great's gonna happen, and you could play it like no matter how the market goes, up or down. You play it right, you're gonna win either way.
Yeah,
But yeah, you got to do
that's
your
it.
research.